Welcome back. Now that you've mastered the basics of combining RSI and Bollinger Bands, let's take it a step further. In this video, we'll explore advanced tactics that elevate your signals from good to great, helping you spot moves others miss and avoid costly mistakes. Adaptive Bollinger Bands, traditional Bollinger Bands, use a fixed standard deviation and period, but markets are dynamic. Adaptive Bollinger Bands adjust the band's width based on current volatility and price action. Here's the trick. When volatility surges, the bands widen. When markets calm, they contract faster than normal. This helps you avoid false breakouts and better identify real price squeezes. Pair this with RSI by watching how RSI behaves during these adaptive squeezes. For example, if the bands squeeze and RSI breaks above 50, with volume increasing, you've got a stronger breakout signal. Dynamic RSI levels instead of rigid 70/30th levels. Advanced traders adjust RSI thresholds based on trend strength and time frame. Strong uptrends, the RSI may stay above 40 and frequently hit 80 or even 90 without reversing. In these cases, raising the overbought threshold to 80 reduces false sell signals. Conversely, in downtrends, lowering the oversold level to 20 helps catch momentum shifts earlier. By tailoring RSI levels to market context, you avoid being whipsawed and catch signals that align better with price structure. RSI and Bollinger Band %B indicator. %B measures price position relative to the bands. When combined with RSI, this offers another dimension. For example, if %B is above 1.0, but RSI is below 70 and falling, suggests a potential bearish reversal. Price is extended, but momentum is fading. If %B is below 0 and RSI is rising from below 30, that's a strong bullish reversal sign. Combining with volume and order flow, advanced traders don't just look at price and momentum. Volume confirms intent. Look for volume spikes when price touches or breaks Bollinger Bands and RSI is crossing critical levels. This shows genuine participation, increasing trade reliability. You can also watch order flow tools or level 2 data if available to confirm if big players are stepping in. Multi-time frame confluence use higher time frame Bollinger Bands to identify overall trend and support resistance zones. On lower time frames, watch RSI for momentum shifts near these zones. For instance, price may pull back to a daily Bollinger Band support, and on the 15-minute chart, RSI crosses above 50 with rising volume, a refined entry point with reduced risk. Practical example. Let's say on GBP/USD daily, the adaptive Bollinger Bands show a tight squeeze signaling low volatility. Simultaneously, RSI stays above 40 and touches 85 several times without reversing, indicating strong bullish momentum. On the 1-hour chart, %B breaks above 1.0. RSI dips slightly from 78 to 70, and volume surges. This suggests a brief pullback, but an overall uptrend continuation, perfect for scaling in or setting tighter stops. Final tips: always backtest your adjusted RSI levels and adaptive Bollinger Band settings before live trading. Use alerts on RSI and %B thresholds to catch setups early. Don't forget to manage risk dynamically. Wider bands mean wider stops. If you're ready to implement these advanced RSI plus Bollinger Bands tactics with expert guidance, proven strategies, and community support, join Innohedge today. Inside, you'll get exclusive access to advanced indicator templates, live trading sessions, and backtest reports to sharpen your edge. Trade smarter, not harder. That's the Innohedge promise.